From the tech department at PermaGreen, we get this question every now and then, so we're going to go through recoils right now. If you have a Honda, as you know, 1, 2, 3 screws, bottom one. Get that first. Take that one out. Take this one out. Now this top one, we understand that the quarters are kind of tight there when this is in the Triumph. So we've designed it to where it comes out like that. See that? Drop the screws. All you have to do is loosen this screw. We send you the recoil so it just slides up underneath that screw. You put your other 2 screws in. Now let's talk about types of recoils real quick. A couple different ones for the Honda. See that? How that pin is curved? Let's call that the curved recoil. I also have a straight one. See how that pin is sticking straight out? We'll call that the straight one. So, a couple different recoils that you can order here at PermaGreen for the Honda. The Vanguard has 1 recoil. That's all you have to concern yourself with. And again, this right-hand screw in this case is stationary. It stays there. We designed it that way. All you have to do is take out the top one and this side one, and that recoil will pop out just like this Honda. So it makes changing the recoil a snap. 1-800-346-2001. If you need recoils that are on the screen right now, we've got them in stock at PermaGreen, or you can order your parts online at permagreen.com.